I got a relaxer. It was a source of so much laughter. At 15 when it all broke off. 18 and I went all natural. February 2002 I went on and did what I had.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Honestly KariTv, and this is how I wash my natural hair part 2. Before I begin, I'm going to grab my hair stopper that I got at Walmart for $2.99 just to make sure that my drain doesn't get clogged up while I'm washing my hair. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so just to get started, I like to make sure that my hair is already sectioned just because it's easier for me to actually wash each section and make sure that it's getting the thorough product and nutrients and moisturization and all of that. And also, it just makes sure you're getting every single part of your hair, each part of your hair is getting the same amount of love. So, like I said, I go ahead and I wash in section right now. I'm just making sure I apply water to each and every section, so I'm trying to overly saturate each section with water. So you're going to go ahead and do this for each of the sections, however many sections you put in your hair. As you can see, I put 6, so I'm going to go ahead and do that all over. Alright guys, I just want to point something out. As you all can see, I'm searching through my hair just to see if there's any tangles or any knots that I may have missed. I actually just found a twist right here that I did not unravel. So it's very important that you take your time. And another reason why I like doing sectioned hair is because I obviously took my twist out when my hair was all jumbled and I missed a whole twist. So sections can also help you find, like just twists or knots or tangles that you may have missed. And it's better to do it on wet hair, in my opinion, because you're not tugging or being aggressive with it. So another reason why it's great to do your hair in sections, like I said before, is so that you can go ahead and take your time and feel for things like this in your hair. So if you do it in sections, it's easier to finger the tangle, it's easier to feel everything. You're not having to use a comb. That water is going to help so that you're not being so aggressively harsh on your hair. So sections help you find tangles and knots too. Alright everyone, so now that I've completely saturated my hair with water, I'm going to go ahead and start adding the shampoo. I'm so sorry that I didn't actually show you the bottle, but I am using Design Essentials Moisture Hair Bath. I'll make sure to leave a link below. And I'm just going to do the same thing like I did with the saturation. So I'm taking the shampoo and I'm applying the shampoo in sections. I'm going to make sure that I'm thoroughly working that product in, going from the top of my hair down to the ends, and I'm just going to keep working it in. So you're just going to keep working it in all of the sections of your hair, and you're just going to do that until each section has shampoo on it and it's been worked thoroughly through. Alright, my honest love, so now that the shampoo is worked thoroughly through my hair, I'm going to go back through and I'm actually going to use the pads of my fingers, not your fingertips, the pads. And I'm going to go ahead and scrub at that scalp to get all that dirt off my scalp. I like to let the shampoo sit on my hair for a little bit before I do this step, just because I feel like it gets the surface dirt off. And then once I finish with the last section of just putting that that first step of shampoo, I'll go back and actually use the pads of my hands to go ahead and remove that buildup. So just like the last 2 steps, you're going to go ahead and do the same thing and work section by section until you have each part scrubbed. Alright, so now that my scalp has been thoroughly scrubbed, now I'm going to go ahead and rinse this shampoo out, and I'm going to rinse it out in sections. Once again, the sections just work for me. I've tried to rinse it all out without the clips in, and y'all, I completely found an entire section with shampoo still in it. So ever since then, I just use sections. It helps to make sure that everything is thoroughly removed. So I know it's redundant with the sections, but you're going to take your time. You're going to be very intentional with this washing process, and I'm telling you, your hair will thank you. You will thank yourself. It would be so in love with you for being patient with it, and you will see your hair flourish. So we're going to take our time. We're going to give our hair the TLC we need so it can grow and flourish, honey. I mean, after all, what are you really rushing for? It is wash day, right? And who actually makes plans on wash day? So take your time. Give your hair the love it needs, the TLC, and all of that. Your hair will be so thankful, it'll be so appreciative, and you will see results. Trust me. Alright, actually cannot find when I actually put the conditioner in my hair. I don't know what happened. In the middle of making this video, I was doing a lot of stuff as far as making sure that baby girl was okay. But I do have conditioner in my hair, so honestly, it's the same as that process with the shampoo. I use Mielle Organics Hydrating Conditioner. I'll also leave a link below to condition my hair, and it's the same exact process. The only difference is honestly that I don't let the product sit on the hair. I work the hydrating conditioner in, and then I twist that section of hair up, and I just move on to the next section. And then by the time that I'm done, I just go back through and I rinse everything else out the way that I put it in, basically. So right now, all I'm doing is rinsing out that conditioner, making sure all that product is out. And once again, I'm so sorry. I cannot find the actual footage of me putting the conditioner in, but I promise you, it is the same exact thing. And like I said, I put the conditioner in. Twisting it as I'm done. Once I get to the end, I'm going back through my hair and I'm rinsing it out the same exact way, and I'm twisting that section back up. Alright guys, so I just got through rinsing all the conditioner out and twisting the section back up. I'm just going to give you all another look. And each section is thoroughly rinsed out, and then it's just 2 strand twisted back up so that I know that a section was done and that it's kind of like already broken into sections, so I can go ahead and detangle. Alright, my honest loves, I've completely rinsed out my conditioner. Now I'm going to take a old shirt, not a towel, and I'm going to pat dry my hair, not completely dry it, just get the excessive dampness and wetness out of my hair. You want to use an old t-shirt because cotton tends to rub up against our hair follicles and dry our hair out even more. And you don't want to do that. We're trying to moisturize, keep moisture in. So I am using Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner, my favorite go-to right now anyway. Love it, need it, want more of it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so real quick before I add the conditioner, I just want to show you all this is my curl pattern on freshly washed hair. No product, no anything. This is just fresh out the shower after a shampoo, clean hair. Just want to show you my hair texture. So I'm going to go ahead and get that leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to go ahead and work it into my hair. I'm going to work it from the top to the bottom. Make sure that it's really up in there. Oh, y'all, I love the smell of this product. Pomegranate and honey Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner is everything. Oh my goodness. But yes, so I'm going to use my dimming brush, and starting at the ends of my hair, go ahead and brush that on out. And making sure there's no tangles, and we're going to slowly work our way up. You work your way from the ends to the top only because it helps to get those knots out that way more so than going from the top to the bottom. I find that I get way more shedding if I do top to bottom versus if I go from bottom to top. So I'm going to use that dimming brush and work all those tangles out and then smooth it in, and I'm going to go ahead and twist my hair so that that leave-in conditioner can work itself into the section. And you're just going to do this all over your heads. As far as the reason why I'm actually twisting my hair in sections rather than just putting it back in the regular section like I was doing before, I'm doing this because the dimming brush is actually detangling. So I do this step to detangle the section while it's being conditioned or having the leave-in conditioner inside of it. And it just helps when it gets to the point of styling. So I twist my hair. Once I put that leave-in conditioner in, it keeps that section nice and entangled so that whatever style I'm going to do after this, it's easy to get to it and just go. Alright, so that is how I wash my hair from start to finish, just my regular step-by-step process. As you all saw,
dry hair, hydrate, shampoo section. Oh, sorry, got a section, then your shampoo. Then yeah, it's a lot. But that's why I always advise, do not do your hair if you're in a rush. Like, that's what I've done wrong so many years. I'm in a rush to get somewhere. I don't have time to take my time to do my hair. If you're natural, you gotta have time. You have to have patience. You have to be nurturing. You're like Mother Nature with your hair. Like, love your hair, the way that it grows out of your head. Love your curl. Y'all remember I used to say that? Love your curls, the way they grow out of your head. So it is a strenuous process. It's a long process, but it works. Yeah. So my hair is completely clean, conditioned, moisturized, all that good stuff. But thanks for watching how I wash my hair, my hair wash routine, all of that jazz. I will give you also style videos, like how to style, like how to do twists, how to do all of that in upcoming videos. But for now, that's all I have time for. I have to go be a mommy to a bomb princess. So, as always, this is Honestly Me, Honestly KariTv, and until next time, my honest loves, bye!
I looked in the mirror for the first time and saw that